positive energy. Every man wants a lady in their life with whom they can share all sides of themselves with. That playful attitude and those youthful gestures are just what every relationship needs to outstand the woes of life. Relationships are multidimensional, and research shows that men love women who laugh at their jokes, and bonus points if she can make him laugh too. And your warm smile is just what he needs to make his day much brighter. Great energy is very attractive. Men want to be around people that can make them feel happy. Even if the situation isn't ideal, your calm and positive outlook will be the source of his solace. He'll enjoy spending more time with you if you are not a negative Nancy. And like attracts like. And if you want a progressive man who would treat you well, then work on being much more positive. You can bring out the best of your relationship by adding in bits of humour and some enjoyable downtime. Otherwise, you may find that things will get seriously uncomfortable.